that rolled all the way down the driveway? Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you're having a great day. You saw from the intro, we got a little bit of an exhaust leak. You might have seen that in a previous video, but it's still there, and I'm getting tired of driving around with it crackling like that, to be honest with you. So that's what we're working on today. We're going to try and get that tightened up. I'm not even sure if the gasket blew out or exactly what happened there, but I know the manifold to the crossover pieces pipe is leaking there, so that's what we got to fix on. But besides that, check out that moose horn I found out the other day. So I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet, but it's kind of cool to conversation with you. But anyway, what we're going to need today, I got some good old WD-40, a rag apparently, wire brush to clean up some of the exhaust manifold studs there, and then basically just sockets. So hopefully I'm going to be able to loosen the bolts that have been there for 20 plus years. Mud, rust, heat, salt. It's a lot of fun. So we'll see how that goes. I'm hoping I can just tighten it back up, or re-tighten it. I kind of thought one of the studs broke, but I'm not sure if that's really the case. I think it might just be loose. So that's what we're going to work on. So if this is something that's going to help you, I hope that you'd subscribe and like the video now, so that you got that out of the way, and then we can just move on to the next step. And that is just showing you what we're going to do. And we're going to do that right now. Ouch! Got the safety glasses on because you see, nothing worse than working underneath something and it all ending up on your face. Haha. Can't turn over. Maybe I should have jacked this up first. Okay, let's see if we can show you what we're looking at here. So that's pretty loose apparently. I guess there's supposed to be a gasket in there, but one thing I noticed was the bolts here, like these nuts are almost back right off, which is kind of hilarious. So I feel like it's missing something inside there, but I don't know how the heck that would have ever fallen out of there either. So I'm basically just gonna, I've got these soaking, I'm gonna soak them a little bit more, and then we'll try and wrench on them a little bit. So. Just not a lot of room down here. Now, what are the odds this is gonna break? Let's try the old meth torch out here. Who seems to like this thing? But you know, like, safety first, guys. All you need is a flipping overly hot torch down here. And if you live in a place where you don't have salt and garbage, this probably isn't a big deal at all. But my part of the world, that's what we deal with. Just crack it loose enough. Let's try some heavier artillery. Lost your loose. Oh, some broke. Broke right off. What a spot. I don't know what's breaking, but something's turning. I'm out. Holy. Oh, you doggy. Perfect. One. See y'all laughing at me from a meth torch. Almost can't believe it. But I got all three off. Wow, that's pretty crazy. Let's see if that flange will come down now. It's a little warm. I think that's supposed to be a circle. What else is in here? That's supposed to be a circle too. Guess we need to get one of them little gaskets anyway. I think for the moment what I'm going to do is just clean up the threads here, and I got to drive this for a couple days here, so I am going to order that little gasket thing Just gonna loosely tighten this in here so I can get it off again, and yeah, wait for some parts. Okay, so I took a little anti-seize here, and I see I got them all guess I didn't film that part apparently, but got all the studs all that way. I think this thing is still gonna be pretty loud. I'm just gonna tighten these guys back on here. Drive around with this thing a little noisy for a few more days. Who knows, maybe you don't even need a gasket in there. Yeah, I don't think so. Hey guys, so it's a few days later since you saw me peeling out that chunk there. But that's what it looks like there. And we got a new piece here, so hopefully that will solve my rattling sound. It's kind of extremely annoying, to be honest with you, but we're gonna get it fixed here right away. But yeah, it's a little windier out there today than it was on the last chunk of the video, so hopefully that turns out okay. Okay, so this is the new guy here. One guy I ran into, he was talking to my truck and he called it a donut, so not sure if that would be, it's a good description, I'm not sure if that's what I would call it, but it's basically a manifold to crossover pipe gasket, so, but it's just a little bit more heavy duty than a regular gasket. But you can see here, it's kind of what the difference is. So anyway, we're going to try and stick this in here and go from there. Okay, let's see if we can get these off again for the second time this week. Hopefully don't need to be heated up again. 14 extensions on here, that makes this job a little easier. I'm glad those came off. Wow, it's a little feared. Chunk of space right there was down in the pipe, so it wouldn't make sense that it goes this way. Too miserable. Would you believe that that rolled all the way down the driveway? Hey, try that again. It's not like the world's greatest spot in here. Oh! Yeah, I'm hoping that fits into the... If it go the other way. Feels very sharp. The spacer goes up in... Okay. And laugh at me or not, but we're gonna do this again. It's certainly not gonna hurt anything. Some guy decides that he wants to put a sweet exhaust on this old 350 down the road. Tell you what, he's gonna appreciate this. On the other hand, might not make any difference at all. It's been a week since I did this and I still have a hard time believing I got all these nuts that just came right off. This stuff doesn't always happen, you know. Maybe I should film things more often. Tighten her back up. Anybody know the exact torque specs of this? It's like 10 pounds, 50 pounds. I can feel it. I can feel it. It's going about I don't know, 26 pounds. Oh, I'm glad I don't have to smell carbon every day. And that's gonna be a treat. Okay, folks. So remember when we first looked at it? It was loose in there. Now she's all tightened up. And I guess that's how you kind of replace your manifold to crossover pipe gasket. That's just how she goes sometimes, guys. Sometimes you gotta persist until you get it. In this case, I didn't really know what the problem was until I got underneath there, and then we definitely solved it. And then we had to order parts, and then we had to come back a couple days later and get it done. So anyway, and it was nicer the first day, so it's kind of a shame that the wind picked up this time. But anyway, it doesn't matter. We got it fixed. It's ready to go, and the truck sounds a lot quieter now, and that's going to be just a relief on a daily basis. So hope you guys are having a great day. I hope that you take some time to check out my other videos. Maybe subscribe to my channel if you like that. If you appreciate content like this where it's hopefully a little bit helpful to you, just leave a note telling me that. And other than that, I just hope you have a really great day, and we'll see you next time. Take care.